Hello everyone. Today's date is 1st March 2022. Myself Kalpesh Badani, and today's video topic is impact of COVID-19 on environment. We know the COVID-19, it has come from Wuhan city from China, and the first patient was found in Wuhan city. The till the 1st March 2022, it number of positive cases has come in a worldwide, and a lot of number of deaths it has in a worldwide. So for this COVID-19 virus, these several vaccines are available now, such as the vaccine is a Covishield, Covaxin, AstraZeneca, Sputnik. Some vaccines are available in the market, and the vaccination process is in a progressive state in a worldwide. The worldwide lockdown was initiated to restrict gathering, transport, and industrial activity. During the lockdown, due to lockdown, COVID-19 reduces the environmental pollution, such as air quality, water pollution, noise pollution, etc. The mass gathering and close contacts are the major causes for COVID-19 transmission. So WHO has decided for maintaining the social distance in a gathering or at a workplace. The environmental impact of COVID-19 is first impact is the noise and air pollution was reduced during the lockdown. During lockdown period, due to restricted movement of motor vehicles and shutdown of coal, gas-fired power station, so due to this shutdown, it reduces the noise pollution or as well as air pollution. There has been decreases the air pollution during the lockdown period, and this pandemic is responsible for better air and water quality along the several negative waves, such as a generation of tremendous volume of hospital and household waste. In New York, the air pollution was reduced up to 50% in 2020 as compared to 2019 due to COVID-19 induces the lockdown, and such as nitrogen oxide is generated from burning of fossil fuels. Next disease is a European Environmental Agency. So due to nitrogen oxide emission contains up to 60% in the major cities of Europe during COVID-19, and it were also observed to be decreased the worldwide during COVID-19 lockdown due to closure of the most of the industry. In China, nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide emission was reduced up to 50%. The level of the nitrogen oxide in the Canada was also reduced. So it means the air pollution was reduced due to the lockdown, and its impact in a worldwide. So the fresh air quality is a form in the worldwide. During COVID-19 pandemic, most of the industries were completely shut down. So this was a major reason for improving the water quality. For instance, some of the major rivers in India like the Ganga and Yamuna achieve a good purity level. So that's all about today's video topic. So thank you.